All right, Jeopardy ride, drop in. Let's go. Oh, whoa, these roots are slick. It's raining right now, so hella windy. So, oh, bro, I'm sliding out. I chose the wrong route there. Got my hella skinny tires today, so that's gonna be fun. This is my first time on Jeopardy, by the way, so don't blame me if I'm going slow. Whew. Pretty fun trail. Hard to do it with my like miniature wheels though, because these are like, oh, rocks right here. Oh, that's pretty sketch. I like this trail though. Oh, this is fun. I mean, pretty techy. The GoPro effect's probably in play. I mean, if you watch most YouTube videos, most of these trails are a lot. Oh, off trail. A lot of these trails are a lot sketchier than they seem on video. So, yeah. Whew. This trail's amazing. I mean, whoa, ruddy, but insane. Oh my god, that's so sketchy right there. Oh, this is hella sick.
Yeah.
Alright.
Dude, look at that. Look at everything. Dude, I remember this part actually.
Should I take the alternate route or nah? I haven't seen it yet. Oh hell nah. High line, okay. Dropping in. Oh, there's a stick on the trail. Bro, it's just technical.
Dude, oh, it's so steep. I can go the other route.
Oh, I'm sliding. Holy mother of God, this stuff is tech. Whoa. Oh, this stuff is tech. Whew. It's fun, but oh my God, this stuff techy. Whoa, that's a turn. Whoa! Oh, that trail is amazing! Back part. Woo! Oh, that's a climb. Oh, shift. This trail is insane!
I can't feel my hands, how about you?
Nah, I first brought gloves. I can't feel my fingers right now. It's like,
Even more out there, holy shit.
it's like 45 degrees out right now, so a little chilly. But I'm looking this trail already.
Now, those alternate routes there?
Yeah, for some of those alternate routes back there. Whew. That was sketch. I think I cut my finger on a branch.
Good for you. Ready?
Okay, back in. Whoa, it's a little slick right now. These are some great conditions though. Like, it's my first time riding this trail. I think I already said that before, but oh, this trail fun. Oh, it's a massive drop. I didn't see that. I want to hit the next time I hit this trail, but let's see. Oh, fun drop. I swallowed some dirt. Oh my, this is my last trail. Oh, that's a climb. Okay. Full sweat. Ah, I'm slid out.
You're editing that out, right?
Nah.
Yeah.
Whew. Yeah, this trail's insane.
Yeah, let me go across.
I almost died there. That drop, I nuked it hella deep.
Oh, okay. Holy.
Yeah. I was trying to drop it and almost died.
That's where your drugs in there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so smooth.
Yeah, I do better on the smooth trails. You're good in tech. I'm good at the smooth stuff. More tech. Oh, nice berms. Woo. What was that trail over there? Side. Stay up for another day. Next, go exploring. I think it's a connecting trail actually. Whoa. You got in the rut there. There's some double track right here. Oh. I didn't think it's way.
What?
It just looks more like a trail.
That way, just a second.
Bro! Off, I'm in a ditch. Okay, that's not fun. Oh, okay, back on the trail. And continue on down the hill. Whoa! Yeah, Jeopardy is insane. Whoa! This trail is amazing. Whoever made this, congrats to you. Great trail. Oh, I think we're at the end here. Probably gonna, oh, that's a sick drop. Yeah, great trail. That's the end of the trail.